Hello and welcome. This is Joe again. A couple of quick tips. If you've got little kids or toddlers or just young kids that you don't want to accidentally have them open the door and fall down the stairs, because as you know, being in a camper or fifth wheel, usually the entry door is pretty high off the ground. Usually you got a couple of steps to down to outside, and then the inside, as you know, all you have to do is pull this handle a little bit, and if you're leaning on this door, the door will just swing open and you'll just fall out, and in most cases fall down a couple of stairs to outside. So a couple things. What we did is on the screen here, you've got the little door that covers your door handle from opening, which part of the screen door here. We put one of those child safety locks on here. So this just pushes on, and then in order to take this off, you just squeeze the top and bottom gray. This pops off and moves out of the way. But with this locked in place, then you can't slide that over to get to the door handle. This is like one of those child safety, I believe it's supposed to go over like your cabinets, if I remember right. So, and all it is just double-sided tape. So you just clean the surface, stick it on here, hold it there for about 30 seconds, and then it stays. And same thing with the wall, and then it is adjustable, so then you just pick your whatever you need lengthwise. So we just made it pretty tight, so that way they can't even slide this at all, so that way it stays closed. And just easy way to keep your kids from accidentally falling out, especially if they're up and wandering and you're doing something in the kitchen or somewhere else. The other thing we did is to keep them from going up the stairs up to our bedroom is we got one of these retractable gates. So it just mounts to the wall, screws on top, and there's a screw on the bottom that mounts in there. There's a button here too that you can take this off and then you can move it to somewhere else. But always basically this just pulls out as like a retracting. And then over here on the other side, there's a couple of hooks. There's a hook on the top, and then there's another hook down here at the bottom. So we just attached them to the side of the cabinet, a couple of screws, screwed them in, and then that puts up a barrier here. Let's see if I zoom out. There you go. So creates a barrier here, so then you can't get up to the bedroom. It is currently loose like that, but on the top here, if you push down and push out, that locks it, so it doesn't extend out anymore. And in that way, if they push on it, it's not going anywhere. They can't get underneath it. This is also great if you have pets, so dogs or cats, or I've seen some people have pigs. Depending on whatever your animal is, you can prevent them from getting either to the door or to the bedroom. So just another quick and easy way. Originally, there was a fire extinguisher mounted here, and you're supposed to have your fire extinguisher, I believe the law states it is supposed to be within 4 or 5 feet from the entry door. Don't quote me on that. I would double check just to make sure. But so what I did is then I just mounted on the bottom of the cabinet here, so it is still here by the door, easy to get to, easy accessible. But always then there's a little handle here that you can pull on. It unhooks top and bottom, and then it just retracts out of the way. And then what I like about this, instead of like your old school wood gate, is that it really doesn't take up any space. So you just got your hook on the top and the bottom, which are permanently mounted on the cabinet, and then it's mounted to the wall, so it's out of the way. So I mean, you still have plenty of walking space through there, so really it doesn't stick out anymore than your slide trim does here. So, and then if you did want to move it somewhere else, you just push this button and it unlocks from the wall. The kit does come with 2 sets of mounting brackets for the actual gates, and it comes with 2 sets of hooks, so you can mount the hooks in 2 places, and then that way you only need 1 retractable gate, but you can mount it in 2 places. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Have a great day.